Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to share with you another tip, and it is the correct command, and which is different from correct that, which correct that will automatically pull up the last thing you said. When you use the correct command, you have to follow it by something that's currently on your screen, like a word or a phrase or a series of words. So we're going to practice using the screen right here, show you a quick example, and you can get started yourself. First, we have to start by turning on the microphone. Wake up. Correct I just use. Stop listening. So you see, it pulled up the words I just use, which are part of the paragraph which this text box is now currently over. So I don't really need to correct them, but if I needed to, I could. So we're just going to click cancel, and then I'm going to give you a couple more examples of how you can do it and move around and pick whatever words or series of words in the current text on your page, and then make changes. Or as you see, there's also choose one, choose two. So if a correction is already up there, you don't have to spell it all out. You can just choose from the menu that's already there. Wake up. Cancel. Click cancel. Correct document. Correct currently. Mouse click. Collect simply. Scratch that. Correct simply. Stop listening. So that is the correct command, which allows you to correct things within the document and what's currently the text on the page. And it's a great way to quickly and simply make corrections. Once again, I am Charles Fleischer, the Voice Recognition Pro, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel right here on this page, or if you want to learn more about my e-course, which gives you a comprehensive way to quickly, effectively, and efficiently start using Dragon Naturally Speaking without a long process, you can visit my website, which is also on this page. So I look forward to sharing some more tips with you in the near future.